Hello grade ones, welcome to our reading lesson for today. We are going to do a few things. We're going to learn some more sounds for some new letters, and we're also going to read a story in our reader. So let's begin with our first card, and this is the letter E, okay? Now we know E to say eh, right? As in pet. But E can also say its name, E. So we have eh and E. Eh and E. Can you say them with me? Eh and E. We also have the vowel U. You'll notice that our U is a red tile, which means it's a vowel. And we know it to say like up. But it can also say its name, U, as in we're going to do Unit 3 today. And it can also say as in put. U, and for put. Udder, unit, put. Okay? Then we have Y, and you know Y can say y, but Y has other sounds as well. Because it's a vowel, it can make actually 4 sounds. Y, and then it can sound like an I, or I, both sounds of I and I. Or when we often see it at the end of a word, it makes the E, like happy. So y, I, E. Yarn, my, happy. And lastly, we have CH. And we know CH to say ch. But it can also say k, as in school. School is with the CH, sk. So it can sound like a k. And it can also sound like sh. So ch, k, sh. Say it with me. Ch, k, sh. Okay, so let's review them all together and see if you can say them with me. So 2 sounds. A, E. This one has 4 sounds. U, and as in p. So U, and We have Y, 4 sounds. Y, I, and at the end of a word, E. Good work. And we have CH, 3 sounds. Ready? Ch, k, sh. Ch, k, sh. Okay, awesome. Now we're ready to get ready for our story that we're going to read from our readers, okay, for today. Now, if I were to take the book, Cupboard the Cat, and I were to go, hope that wasn't too loud for you, that's kind of what it sounds like when we drop something. It's a thud. Or you might think it maybe sounds like a smash or a boom or a crash. Okay, when something heavy falls, though, it's like a thud sound. And in our next story, something or someone is going to go thud. Okay? Now, on our warm-up sheet for today, we have a sled. Now, it's springtime for us, but have you ever been sledding in the snow? I hope to goodness you have, because it's so much fun. Now, if you didn't have a real sled to use, could you think of something else that you could use to maybe go sledding down a hill? What do you think? What could you maybe find around your house that you could use to go sledding? Now, we're going to open up our story and read the sled, and we're going to find out, what do the children do in this story when they can't find a sled to go sledding? You can open up and read the sled. Enjoy today.